So if you want to show up multiple pictures with interactive gallery, then you can use the gallery section. So for that, I'm just going to add a new section right over here. And gallery section is similar to selected work section where you can add in multiple images. So over here, you can see that there's a gallery section right over here with different layouts. So I'm just going to choose the one that I like right over here. And then in the gallery section, what happens is that you got multiple images just like this. So you can turn on the title, the subtitle. Of course, you can change out the gallery title over here as well. So I'm just going to change this out right over here. Just to gallery, just like that. And maybe I want to bold it out over here as well. And you can see the changes similarly. You can also go around here and change out the description, the format, and everything else. So over here, you can see that there's a link as well. You can remove out the link and then work around with the images right over here. So you can go over here onto the gallery, and here you can see that there's organized media and change gallery. So I'm just going to organize the media right over here. And over here, you can see that you can change out the section right over here, change out the picture, or add more images from right over here as well. So I can go over here onto the site files right over here and choose the image as per your liking, just like that. And then press apply to bring it in, and you can drag it out just like that, as you can see. So once you're happy with the changes and the order, you can just press done, and the changes will update over here in the gallery just like this, as you can see. And the gallery is very interactive. So if you were to preview the site, that is, the users will be able to view it like this. So you can see the gallery right over here. If they were to click on the gallery, you can see that it'll open up a gallery, which is very interactive, as you can see right over here. So your users will be able to go through all of the pictures just like that. So let me just go back to edit slide right here. And in gallery, you got different design options over here as well. So this is the design option which is being chosen. You can also go over here and change, let's say, for example, this type of a design right over here. So just like that, you can see that it is more squarish in behavior. You can choose this, the one without any edges right over here, or gaps, as you can see, or you can choose something like this. So that is how you can work around with gallery section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.